Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Busy back with a brand new video, and today we're going to be diving into markets that we always do, and we're going to see if we can make some profits. So today we're going to be trading euros, Japanese yen, and euros, Canadian dollars. So before we jump right in, you know I got to plug myself, so don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button so I can keep making these videos for you and show you what it's like to be live trading for real. And if you want to see my trade live every single day, links in the description. Join the Telegram channel. You can see me trade live. You can enter the same trade if you want to. All links will be in the description. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's dive right into the charts. And as you can see right here, I've got euro, Canadian dollars, as well as euro, Japanese yen. And as you can see, the weekends, not the weekends, since the last time I made a video, which was on my first, I've had a couple of OTC trades just testing the waters. You can see, mostly there's the stuff that I was doing on my private, VIP channel. So first of all, I want to mostly look at Euro JPY. Market has been trending downwards all day. Closed, I think, like 0.61% down last on the 5th. Just trying to remember exactly what I saw, but I'm going to change that time frame so you can all see it. So you can see, yeah, most definitely that market is on a downturn. So let's see if we could take a little bit of money here, right? So first thing is we want to draw zones. This what looks like. Gonna draw a mark right here, and we're looking for another lower zone at 158.155 is where the market is at right now. But we can't even find any zone. I think I removed auto scroll. Okay, let's see. We can see 159. 188, we're gonna draw a zone right there. So now we're seeing all the way down here, right? 159, all the way down here. See a zone with the market changed right here. And we're gonna take our highest point as, I can't really move the chart the way that I want to. That's a little lower than I thought it would be. All right, so definitely we're seeing the market moving a little upwards in this situation right here. So I think 2% is how much risk I'm willing to take today. So we're gonna definitely stop at 2%. Keep it open just because we're gonna enter into some trade. So now we can see the market has been moving downwards. We're way below our moving average. And I'm looking at the volume of the candle. Now I can't make a decision just based off this first candle right here, but I can see the volume is larger than every other candle that has come before. So at the back of my mind, this might be a nice place to enter into a call, but I think it's going to be close. And that's why you have to keep your strategy, knowing that you could quickly enter into like this a trade where it's maybe not 100%. Not 100% sure, but you think you might be able to take profit on just a quick assessment. So basically you're looking at this and you're like, the market is definitely going down, and this shouldn't be that much of a big factor, just because you can see this little bit of a bullish candle happening there. But in my mind, I'm thinking still a call right here, and we're just going to enter right there for $1,300. So since we have our zones, I'm expecting it to hit here at 158.305 and then maybe start falling down again. But based off this, you see, I was looking at that 5-minute time frame. I should have circled back and looked. Because if I had seen that this candle ended a little bit earlier, look at this. Look how short that is. That is giving no. Yeah, that was my bad. I'll take this. I'll take this L. There's an L and I should take it. I should take it. Yeah, I definitely should take it. Because I didn't see this. Because I was looking at M5. And I could see the candle go. Yeah. Alright. My bad, guys. My bad. Alright. So since we're still looking at it right there, I think we're still in that zone where we could still enter into put. So you can see it's the first trade, 1300 was a loss. Because I'm not seeing any major movements right here. So let's go back. Yeah, I think a call will be. So we'll double up. I'm not seeing any. Okay, so we see some movement right now from that candle. Let me go to my M1 and see if I can see anything. Same thing. That does end up a little bit higher, but you can see how short that candle is still in that situation. Now it's going to be a little bit scary to enter because you can see the market's starting to move a little bit sideways here. While it might be good to make money at the top here if we were able to enter, now it's a little bit more risky. Maybe we'll go to EuroCAD, but I already did everything here. All we're doing is we're waiting, and this is the most boring part about this whole thing is like the waiting around. As much as I like to skip it, it's probably the most important thing. As you see, that market's just, we don't really see any defining moments. Okay, now we see a little bit of a move, and I think right here I might enter into a put, but I'm late with my entry, and we get an achievement, a gem, and another one. The Polkadot option really kills me with this shit. It's really cringe. They need to stop. I don't need achievements for trading, bro. This is like real life shit. My achievement is like I make money or not. So we're in the money, but it's a little bit too close for liking. But you know, we're entering into a market where it's moving sideways. So we know what we're entering for, and that's why you have to make your strategy so good, or not even so good, that it's compatible with any kind of situation that's happening in the market, whether it's sideways, whether the market is moving upwards, downwards. You know, you have to make sure that you're getting that in on a daily basis. So as you can see, with 3 seconds left, we're able to take profit on that, and that gives us a little bit, that kind of cancels a little bit of our loss to start with, and gives us a little wind in our back. So despite the fact that you can see that the stochastic oscillator right here was showing upwards right here at this point, if you follow that trend here, you probably would have made some money, but then at the end of the day, you'll probably end up losing money because just generally this market is on a downward turn. So anyway, here entering into a call would have, you know, bagged you a little bit of money, and you can see as the market is going, we're thinking that the market's going to continue to go downwards from here. I'm going to M10 just to show you guys that the market is just a downturn, which is good for us. But we made that back call right here, and right here we're able to pull that back. But this is just, I'm thinking that this is going to be a good place for a call. We're going to reduce back to 2%. I think I'm going to enter into I think right here. Oh, a little bit of, so move up a little bit more. All right. So with that in mind, we're in the money. I'll put it open so you can vibe with it. A couple of points below, but not out of the ordinary. So about 25 seconds left, 23. So if we don't see any huge changes in the market in the last couple of seconds, we might take a profit on this as well. And it might be a nice little day just following that trend downwards. Okay, so that's great. We're able to... Now, you can see that in this situation, right, compared to the first situation where if we entered into the signals that's showing us by the stochastic oscillator right here, we probably would have lost some money. But at the same time, it's still not wrong, I mean. But you can see that it's showing you a little bit late, because right now you can see kind of a bullish candle happening right here, but you don't see that correction in stochastic oscillator because it comes a little bit later, and you're going to see that a little bit later because it's like comes afterwards. So usually you want to use this only to analyze past the trend in the market. It's not going to show you like what the market's is going to do in the future. And if anyone tells you that they know, it's either they don't know what they're talking about, or a lack of experience, or even in a worse situation, they're trying to sell you something. And if it's even bad, it's all three of them. So somebody who doesn't know what they're doing, they lack the experience, and they're trying to sell you something, which is the worst combo. But that being said, I think this was a good, nice little profit. We started out with a loss, but we were able to pull it out. So I'm not gonna overtrade, gonna take it. The account is looking good. We've been constantly making profit, as you can see here. This was the last couple of trades we've done. So yeah, so thank you guys for joining me for another beauty trade video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button when a new video drops, and don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Links will be in the description. You get to see my trades. You can follow them if you want. It's absolutely free, but the choice is yours. So make the decision. Links will be in the description. And if you're looking to join Pocket Option, you can join my link. Links in the description. Start trading today. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.